Hotel. It's way cool. In fact, it is the oldest building in Braamfontein, which was built in 1900s. Today, it is a national treasure and it retains an old worldly charm. Thankfully, no changes can be made to this building, so it actually allows us to be able to preserve and hold history in this space. Voila! Let's go inside and see what is happening. Zwakala ntwana? Situated inside the hotel is Kitcheners. The interior remains as it was years ago, and you can almost see an old man sitting in the corner sipping his old beer after a long day underground in the mines. Throughout the day, a stream of young Mapantsula hip-hop cats, all types of young and old people, while away the afternoon. At night, boom, the DJ supplies music. Time to twerk, time to dance, time to party, time to make sure that we have a great time. Sometimes you need to take a moment to look around you, to see amazing places and spaces, and sometimes even crazy faces.